Hey everyone, Trading Carter back again. I have another pack opening. Today I have a Series 3 Andy Griffith Show trading card by Pacific. These are from the 90s. I think in 1990 they were pretty hot. So, not so much today, but still really cool and very excited to see what is inside. So, here we go. Try to keep the pack nice. I do collect wax packaging, so alright. And we have Ellie Walker. And that's what the back looks like. Just a nice overview of the character. We have Peaceful Officer. And again, the same backing. Let's see. These are 1990 Pacific. So we have Mayberry Diplomacy. And there's a color card, Made in the Shade. Not sure if the color cards are any different than the black and white. Then we have Otis the Artist. Facing About. Let's see, this one is if I'll ever focus up. You're right, this is no place for us. Let's get out of here. That is a quote from the show. And then we have Come Fish Come. Get a nice 10 card pack here. This is very cool. Then we have Still Life in Mayberry. Making some liquor there. And another quote. A 1 and a 2 and a making some music there. So there we go. Pretty cool. A lot better than I expected for these cards to be. So there we go. And that would be the Andy Griffith Show Trading Cards Series 3. So there we go, guys. I hope you have enjoyed. If you did, a click of the like button or a comment is much appreciated. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you later.